Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can cash out on Fidelity investment. So then, to cash out or withdraw money from Fidelity investment, all you need to do is follow these steps. Now, cashing out your investment with Fidelity is relatively straightforward. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to log in or access your Fidelity account through your website or mobile app using your username and then a password. So once you're logged in, after that, locate accounts or investments you want to cash out from. This could be a brokerage account, IRA, mutual funds, or other investment type as well. Now, depending on the investment, there will be an option to sell or withdraw funds as well. So for stocks or mutual funds, you typically select sell to liquidate your possession. So for cash withdrawal from a brokerage account or IRA, you might choose withdraw funds and enter the amount you wish to cash out. If you're selling stocks or funds, specify the amount of shares or the dollar amount you want to sell. Now, review the transaction detail, including any associated fees or taxes. Confirm through the information is accurate before finalizing the transaction. Now, follow the prompt to complete the transaction. This might involve confirming the sell or withdrawal with the second verification steps for security purpose. Once the transaction is completed, verify that the fund has been transferred or the investment has been sold. Take a few days for our money to appear in your linked bank account or for the sale procedure to settle. So that's basically how you can cash out on Fidelity investment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.